Today, the names Berger and Louis Berger are synonymous with color. Berger Paints is India's number 2 in the decorative paint segment, soaring high despite the bleak economic scene around the world. The company continues to be inspired by the creation and innovation of Louis Berger, taking paints to the level of fine art. Berger innovations in paints combine the dual qualities of aesthetics with usefulness. Rangoli Easy Clean, easy washability with perfect sheen, the fastest growing emulsion in the country. Weather Coat All Guard, new water repellent paint. Berger adopts a Go Green policy with Breathe Easy, eco-friendly paint with Singapore certification. Finishes for kids, Galaxy, Glitter and Glow, and Kids Collection. Imagine a designer world with haute couture and high fashion inspirations dominating, letting consumers experiment with the latest designer finishes through Illusions and Metallica. Achroma, the world's number 1 wood finish, giving consumers world-class products for a world that's a global village. Innovative services like Preview are letting people see what their homes will look like even before they have put a single stroke of paint on their wall. Berger Home Painting evolved in 1993 and is one of the fastest growing value-added services in India. A complete painting service designed to make homeowners smile. You pick up the phone and within 48 hours, someone is at your house. The job starts with a free home visit to understand the scope of work. Surfaces to be painted are reviewed and tested. For shade selection, our color consultant is at hand to give you the benefit of advice and combinations. Would your local contractor consider your budget? Berger Home Painting will. The next step is the budget. We tailor-make our paint jobs to suit your budget. You can combine base and top coats of different brands depending on what you have in mind. An accurate estimate provided by Louis Berger Home Painting is the foundation on which each painting job is undertaken. Once you have accepted the budget which we propose, after carefully measuring the paintable area and made the advance payment, the job begins. Would your local contractor be responsible for the total job? Berger Home Painting will. Berger will take care of paint buying, shifting furniture, and post-painting cleanup, and back it up with a 1-year service warranty into the bargain. Would your local contractor be on hand to supervise his painters? Berger Home Painting will. Our customer care supervisors are on all painting jobs to ensure that our painters put in the best efforts at every step so that you get the paint job you pay for. Would your local contractor use specially trained painters? Berger Home Painting will. At Berger, we only use trained painters for our home painting service. They know how to treat your walls. Is a local contractor equipped for a 21st century lifestyle? Berger Home Painting is. When you want a special paint job, we have the tools for it, like an automatic spray gun or an automatic roller, which saves time, product, and gives the perfect finish into the bargain. So what gives Berger Home Painting the edge over conventional methods of home painting? The fact that today's immense work pressures and stressful lifestyles give people very little time to devote to issues like choosing suitable brands of paint, hunting down a contractor, buying the paints, and orchestrating the whole process of shifting and covering furniture and ensuring that the job is done on time. The Louis Berger Home Painting service takes care of all the headache involved in a timely and efficient manner. Louis Berger Home Painting estimates take into account each and every detail that is required to give your walls the perfect finish you're looking for without compromising on quality. Our service is offered across cities all over India. From know-how to legwork, Lewis Berger Home Painting delivers total support, taking all the bother out of painting with estimates, trained painters, on-time schedules and post-painting cleanup services with a 1-year service warranty